Hey, to all you so-called San Francisco 49er fans, if you ain't got San Fran on your keychain, say, man, what's driving you, man? What is driving you? We on a quest, man. Next year is promising. You understand that? Oh, it's promising. I'm driving you. Y'all can see what's driving. And I got my seatbelt on, everybody, okay? Seatbelt. Hey, I want to get this radio GPS situation, everybody. Thank you, ma'am. You gonna let me go? Oh, that's so nice of you to not want to let me go through, but I'm gonna just take the shot anyway. Hallelujah. I'm sorry, everybody. You know, I'm Outdoor Life Church. Check that out. Look at that. I'm a radio. Come on, man. I wonder if they're gonna let me turn right here, you know what I mean? It's a two-way turn. Anyway, seatbelt on. God bless you, everybody. You understand me? Yeah.